Hey, what's up guys, this is Technologies Next here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can install MIUI 8 based on Android Marshmallow on your Redmi Note 3. So we will flash MIUI 8 based on official Android Marshmallow without unlocking the bootloader and without rooting our phone. So let's get started. First install MIPCsuite and ADB driver in PC. Now we have to disable driver signature enforcement. Just copy this command from the description down below and open up CMD, run as administrator. Then paste this command and press the enter button. And then restart your PC. You need to download these files from the description down below, and after downloading the files, extract them. Now add an extension .tar here and then extract it. So Kenzo Global Images is the Marshmallow ROM. You have to rename this folder name to Fastboot ROM. Now install Xiaomi Mi Flash and then open it. Now we need to boot our phone into Fastboot mode. So just power up your phone and press volume down plus power button, and your phone will boot into Fastboot mode. And before doing that, please make a backup of your internal storage because it will be deleted. Now connect your phone into PC. And then open up Fastboot EDL folder and double click the EDL file. Now your phone will be boot into EDL mode, from which you can flash any Xiaomi ROM. So your notification LED light on your Redmi Note 3 will continuously blink red if your phone is in EDL mode. Now open Xiaomi Mi Flash.x and then select the ROM, Fastboot ROM, Kenzo Global Images. OK. Click Clean All. Now refresh and then click on Flash. and wait until success. After success, now press the power button and power on device. Now disconnect your phone from USB cable. So that's it. Now you have MIUI 8 based on official Android Marshmallow, fully working on your Redmi Note 3. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel, comment down below if you have any questions. If you like this video, then please share this video with your friends.